Ohayou! Today we are making some classic pony bead bracelets with a twist. That's right! The bracelets I make today will have kawaii and unique phrases on them made with letter beads. For this project, you will need a thin, stretchy string, super glue, pony beads of any color, and letter beads. I use square-shaped ones here, but they also sell super cute circle ones. First, I roll out a good length of the string, but I don't cut it off. This way, we can save more string and avoid it being too short. Then I lay out the word I want to spell. Once that's finished, it's time to start stringing the pony beads. About 1/3 of the way through, I add my pre-arranged letters. Then, I put the rest of the pony beads on the string. Once you have enough beads, it's time to tie it up. Use 3 knots to ensure it won't unravel. To seal the tie, I use a drop of super glue. You can also use clear nail polish for this, but that doesn't dry as quickly. Once it's dry, you can cut off the excess string. There you have it! You can use this DIY multiple times like I did, so you have a whole set of bracelets. I hope you have an awesome time making these pony bead bracelets. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. You can find me on Instagram under the username autofillapocalypse.nikudi. Arigato!